In this video, we're checking out the completion of phase 1 of the revival of the Rio Las Vegas, next on Jaycation. What's up, Jaycationers? Welcome back to another video here in the Las Vegas series. And in today's video, phase 1 of the Rio Las Vegas renovation and revival has been completed, and they are officially part of Hyatt now. And they have revamped their casino, opened up a really nice new restaurant and a really awesome cocktail lounge. And we also got a really good deal here for F1 weekend. I'm gonna show you the room that are renovated over here in the Ipanema Tower. Tell you a little bit about what's to come in the future with phase 2 and Rio working on this building right here. So let's get started with a little bit of a tour, and then let's go eat some lunch because your boy's starving. We're gonna head over to Luckley. Rideshare pickup is just over this way by the front entrance, by the Ipanema Tower. And if you're looking for a dog-friendly area, there is this dog-friendly area. Pick up after your pet. They got bags and stuff and this little turf area for you to have your dog do their business. First spot we're trying here at the newly completed phase 1 revamped Rio Las Vegas is the Luckley Tavern and Grill. This used to be the all-American restaurant back in the day. For those of y'all that remember it, they have an amazing weekend lunch and their menu is great. Wait till you see what we're about to try over here. Really nice bar here. Their theme is very musical. They have albums, posters of other musicians, and a really cool soundtrack playing on the speakers. There's a bar in the front, and then they have a back area with high ceiling, and all the decorations are within the music realm. So let's go inside and check it out. Like I said, they have all these different records and pictures of artists and a lot of booths around here. And I like how that the bar has lower seating. There's not high bar stools, and they also have hooks for the bags down there as well. Luckley also has a happy hour from 3 to 5. Look at their deals over here. You got warm artichoke dip for $9. It's usually 15. They have their lollipop buffalo wings. Instead of 18 bucks, you're paying 12. Oysters, a half dozen is 9 and a dozen is 18. Can't beat that. And then your signature cocktails are 10 bucks during happy hour. Draft beers, select cans and bottles are 6. House wine is 6. Count me in. They also have a pre-theater menu, $48 per person, and it's a 3-course meal. It's a pretty good deal. Jamming out to ABBA, Dancing Queen. Look at all these different records and Bob Marley pictures. You got some Elvis, and I love the high ceilings in this back room. I'm sure it gets on and popping at night over here. Really excited to check out Luckley finally, and since it is Friday, they do have a really popular weekend lunch menu, and I pick and chose from a few items over there, and also started with one of their signature cocktails, the Blood Orange. And the Blood Orange has gin, lime, rosemary, blood orange, and ginger. That's a mix for me. I like it. Nice and pink. You got the colorfulness here. I love the ambiance over here, and that back room has plenty of frames, records, musical artists, concert posters. Even here in the front, it's really nice and festive, very inviting. Definitely love this. Before this was the all-American bar, and it looks so much different. Even the casino floor, I'll show you guys, it's a lot more well lit. And with the completion of phase 1, the Rio is looking even better. So cheers to the Rio. Let's try it out. Oh, that's good. You got that ginger sting to it. Got some of that gin in there. A little pulpy too. Oh, I like that. Ginger and gin speaks my language for sure. We got a few things coming out here that we're gonna try. The music that they have here is fire. They have anything from Wu-Tang playing to Paula Abdul to Grateful Dead. Pretty cool. First things first, I started with an appetizer, their lollipop buffalo wings. Oh, there you go. Mac and cheese? Awesome, thank you. So we got the lollipop buffalo wings. It comes with celery, carrots, and ranch. I like how this looks. These little mini, look at that. Let's try this out with the ranch. Oh yeah, nice buffalo spice to it. It's not overly overpowering with the spice, so it's good. That is tasty. These lollipop wings are easier to eat, less messy because you have pretty much like a handle, and it's easy to dip. Oh yeah, I'm gonna smash that down, have some celery. I'm a big celery fan. I could eat celery for days. That's a good start here at Luckley. Next up, we went with a side order. This is their fried mac and cheese. They got truffle and crispy prosciutto in here. They look like mozzarella sticks, but they are mac and cheese. And let's dip it into this sauce here. Hot. Woo! It's that perfect mix of truffle, cheese, and the mac and cheese in the inside. Then you got the crisp on the outside. It's hot. And this cheese sauce, straight fire. Wow. That's some flavor right there, guys. Wow. Woo. We're gonna have to let that cool off a little bit. Mix that in with the cocktail. Oh yeah, we're feeling this. We're gonna get to the main lunch course right here next. But wow, taste, quality, and a nice vibe over here. We got music, rock and roll, baby. Main course time, and we went with the meatball marinara. Oh, this looks good. You got basil, marinara, cheese. The bread is lightly toasted on each side on the inside. And then you got your thick fries that look like it's spiced a little bit with some chilies. You got the ketchup here. You got some nice cheesy mozzarella covering the meatballs here. Ooh, that's a heavy meatball parm. Shout out to Peyton Manning. He loves that meatball parm. You watch those State Farm commercials. Let's try it out. Wow, that's got some good marinara flavor to it. Yum. See the meatballs poking out here. I took a big bite. That mozzarella is nice. I love myself meatball parms. That's a perfect mix. Meatball parm, you got the mac and cheese right here, and the lollipop buffalo wings. This has got me fueled up to check out the rest of Rio's Phase 1 completion. Here are the hours as of November 22, 2024 for Luckley. Monday to Thursday, they're open from 3 to 10 p.m. and 3 to 5 is their happy hour. But Friday and Saturday, they're 11 a.m. to 11 p.m. and you can enjoy their lunch, which has an amazing menu. And then on Sundays, they're 11 a.m. to 10 p.m. You can also get the lunch then as well. Just so you know, they only serve this lunch Friday, Saturday, Sunday, as of now. To finish this all off, they brought out the banana pudding dessert topped with a mountain of whipped cream. Looks like you got some vanilla wafers here. Oh, this looks good. I doused it with Bailey's too. No, just kidding. Just kidding. Ooh, that's good. Oh yeah, you got some of that banana in the inside. I'm gonna get it from the side right there. Nice and cool texture. You get your banana flavor with a little bit of breading in there. That's what I'm talking about. Nice crunchy vanilla wafer. Yum. Appreciate you, dude. Thank you.
How do you like that banana pudding?
That's good.
My favorite.
That's good stuff.
It's great stuff. Yeah. Good to hear.
Always room for banana pudding, bro.
Always. Yes.
Appreciate you, man. This is really good banana pudding. All right, let me walk this off a little bit and we'll show you more of the Rio. Luckley Tavern. This place is what's up. I definitely recommend it.
Come over and see your boy Zach over here at Luckley Tavern. All right.
You the man.
Thank you. You're the man.
Feeling the music here, bro.
Yeah, the music selection's great. You know, curated from the finest of years. You know.
Thanks, bro.
Thank you.
Much later.
Made it over here to the Lapa Lounge, their new cocktail bar here at the Rio. Is right next to the registration. Really bright space here. They got live music here, and we're gonna try some of their amazing cocktails and hang out here in their newly revamped area of the Rio. We just got seated here at Lapa Lounge, and I went with their Tiki Tango drink, and you could actually take home this awesome tiki mug. Look how big it is. It's bigger than my head. And it's basically indulge in a rich tropical experience, sweet and tangy guava, harmonizes with exotic spices, offering a lush, flavorful escape. It's got Remy Martin VSOP cognac, Shinola passion fruit liqueur, falernum guava, and fresh grapefruit lime citrus. And the straw even has stuff on it. Wow, this looks good. This looks like it's gonna be strong. Ooh, it's actually not like overpoweringly strong, but it'll sneak up on you. They also brought a trail mix bowl over here. Very nice and bright. You got cheetahs on the ceiling, a nice jungle theme here, and monkeys hanging around the TVs on the bar, and Lapa is actually a creative district in Rio. I heard it's a real fun party over in Rio. One of these days we gotta get to Rio, but I'm loving the decorations here. You got greens, reds, browns, golds, and even the napkins are nice. The Lapa Lounge cocktail bar, they have live music later at night, but their signature cocktails look amazing. They have a drink called All the Buzz, which looks like an espresso martini, Lapa Sunset Mai Tais. They even have a nice selection of beers, seltzers if you need it, and the trail mix. And you get to take this home.
Hey, it's Rio Experience wow.
Oh yeah, that's gonna be an easy one to sip down. This is the main cocktail bar right when you enter Rio, right next to the registration. They revamped everything, so everything on the casino floor, they have brighter lights, new furniture everywhere. This is looking real nice over here, guys. I'm digging it. We're gonna try to come back here later tonight. It's about 4 in the afternoon right now, but I do wanna see the live music or even a DJ playing over here. They said they dimmed the ambiance down and it becomes more of a nice chill lounge over here. Really nice bar stools too. They got these circular bar stools with cheetah print on it, and they're all different colors, really unique. And there's also hooks for your purses as well, ladies. I also see that they have a home field advantage drink special menu. You can get 2 beers for 12 bucks, seltzers 2 for 14, Liquid Death 2 for 10. I have to do these seltzers. Get a little roadie for the strip. Got 1 neutral, 1 high noon. We're set for the night. We're gonna head over to the strip. We're actually gonna walk from Rio to the strip and do an F1 live stream. Excited for that. But Lapa Lounge, make sure you check it out. They're even setting up for music over here right now. We'll try to come back later on tonight to see how cracking it is. Cheers.
Tomorrow.
All right, Jaycationers, it is time for the oh so popular room tour. We are here in a upgraded, renovated room suite at the Ipanema Tower, and we booked the strip view, high floor level, and no resort fees for Friday and Saturday of F1. I paid $111 total. That's 55 bucks a night to stay here at the Rio at a brand new renovated room. It's awesome. We've stayed here earlier in the year. I do like the layout of their new suites. They have this huge L-shaped couch with a pull-out bed, so you could actually have more people here staying in the room, and a nice wooden marble oval coffee table. It is Sunday at the recording of this video, so we're watching some football. They have this leaf-shaped lamp here in the corner. They want to have that like green and gold jungly feel like you're in Brazil, so that was a pretty cool touch. And then below the TV they have wooden shelving and you could put your stuff there, a couple of outlets down here so you could charge, and then there's this wooden full-size mirror here right next to the TV, and then you walk into the bathroom area. I do like this tall wooden lamp right here, nice design, it's golden brown, and you got your USB-C and USB charger and an outlet right here too, so if you need to charge something as well. And the view is really nice looking out towards the north, but you could get a really nice strip view from this room. And we're deep down at the end of the hallway, so it's very quiet over here, which I needed last night because we needed to sleep after F1. I booked a 2-queen bedroom just in case some of the homies wanted to come for F1. Would have had an extra bed, or 2 beds actually, but nobody showed up. But just in case, I had it. And I slept over here in the queen bed. It was nice. 4 regular size pillows, just the way I like it. Not too fluffy, not too huge, perfect amount of pillows. And then you have this brown leather bedstand over here. I like the circular rings on this lamp, very nice. And you got an alarm clock here, as well as your drawer and a cubby down below. And you also have a USB-C and a USB charger right there as well. Over in this section, you have a Las Vegas magazine. Ooh, lobster, a little surf and turf in there. They have their promotions with Luckley and Voodoo Steak and a few other things around the resort. Your Rio stationery, the telephone, and another lamp here on the side, and then a really cool abstract painting design. You don't know me. Looks very Rio-ish. And then you have your ice bucket, really nice gold and cream ice bucket. And then the refrigerator is down here. You have your personal space. Actually, both sides are your personal space, so that's good. If you go down to the canteen food hall or even eat at Luckley, you You can have your food here and have it for a late night snack like I did yesterday. And here's another cupboard. And let's twirl around to the bathroom area. So the bathroom area is actually two separate parts. You have this whole countertop here. You have this gold vanity mirror on the side, tons of shelving, your hair dryer's in there. And then there's one sink over here, a nice full-size mirror and lighting on both sides. But then when you go inside, you get another sink, and that's where your toilet and shower is. In the closet, you have the iron and ironing board and about 10 hangers, and the safe is up there. I like how it's eye level to you, so you don't have to bend over to put in the digits to open it up. And then you also got the luggage rack here as well. All right, now to the actual bathroom area. You do get your floor towel. I do like how they have this little arm cubby where you can reach in and turn on the water so it's not too cold, not too hot when you hop into the shower. That's why they did that. And then you just got a nice little walk-in shower. Then you got the Nest New York shampoo, conditioner, body wash, a gold tray right there for your soap and other things, a little handle here so you don't trip and fall. Then you have your toilet paper here as well with a soap bar here, and they have lotion as well as Q-tips and cotton. And then all the towels are up here and your spare toilet paper. And then the toilet is nice and low to the ground. All right, guys, we are back here at the Canteen Food Hall. I've been dreaming about Tender Crush since I tried it a few months back. I need it on a Sunday after a long race night for F1. So they do have some really great tenders. They got the grilled ones and the crispy ones, but they also have crispy chicken sandwiches for 10 bucks, and their custard with a topping is really good. They also have those Coney Island coolers, which we tried last time. I don't have that much of an appetite today, so I'm gonna go with the grilled tenders, I think. So I went with the whipped blue cheese and the grilled. I love their whipped blue cheese, and the way they marinate these grilled tenders are amazing. It takes about 10 minutes to prepare, but it's well worth the wait. It smells good too. Nice and juicy. No wonder why they call that tender. Yeah, I've been waiting for this. That's a winner. Whipped blue cheese. So Tender Crush is a New York restaurant, and they brought it over here to Vegas. So good. You also got Tony Luke's, Southland, a bunch of other choices here too that are amazing. But Tender Crush, I always call it Tender Cluck. Tender Crush, thumbs up. Rio is officially now a Destination by Hyatt resort, and they finished phase 1 last week. So the new lighting in the casino and all the furniture and Luckley as well as Lapa Lounge, those are the newest things. But what I also liked was I was able to go into the express check-in, use the iPads over there. They printed out the keys and I didn't even have to fall in line. It was just like that, a lot quicker check-ins. Back when Caesars was running Rio, it took forever to check in. This time around, it took me 2 minutes, filled out a few things, and I was good to go up to the room. I love having these rooms even though I have to walk further down the hall because it's quieter down the hall. So all the suites here in the Ipanema Tower are now renovated. They're gonna be starting on phase 2. We shall see what they're gonna do with that next, but wow, 111 bucks. I just signed up for my Rio Rewards card and that's how I got the deal. No resort fee, and I was able to stay here for 55 bucks a night, so that is a thumbs up. And the Canteen Food Hall is still going strong. I love the Tender Crush, that is such a good spot. But luckily, man, the food was good there. The buffalo lollipop and that chicken parm, amazing. All right, Jaycationers, so that'll do it here from the Rio Las Vegas. I'm really looking forward to seeing what they do for phase 2 and moving on to the other parts of the resort. The pool is closed right now, so if you wanted to see how the pool looks like, it's brand new too. They renovated all of that, and that has all new furniture as well and a really cool bar. Check out my last video at the Rio. Comment down below what other hotels you want to see me do in the future here in Vegas. Check out Las Vegas 777 Let's Go, my Facebook group. We have over 4,500 Las Vegas lovers talking about the newest things around town and the ongoings around Sin City. And we'll see you guys in the next one. And in the words of me, stay traveling, Las Vegas. Let's go.